We're doing lessons 33 and 34, which is writing numbers through the hundred thousands and also the 100 millions. So we're starting with lesson 33 first. If you want to follow along in your book, it's just the next page over after the power up. Huh? Mm-hmm. The very first one says, recall that the places in a three-digit number are the ones place, the tens place, and the hundreds place. The three places to the left of the hundreds place are the thousands place, 10,000s, and 100,000s. Okay, so we worked a lot with place value at the very beginning of the year in our journal. You got a lot of place value things glued in there. Here's an example using place value. In the 2000 census, Fort Worth, which is where I was born, shout out, had a population of 534,694. Use words to write the population. So with place value questions, a lot of times you'll see things about write this in expanded form or write this in word form. So this kind of all goes hand in hand. So if you're writing this big, large number in words, you should have 530-4. That's one thing that a lot of us forget is this little dash right here. 34,000. Then we name the rest of the number, what we're used to. 690-4. Do y'all have a list of no excuse words this year? No? No? No excuse words? Y'all don't have that? Okay. I thought you did. I thought they were posted up in a room. There's words that we consider no excuses. Like there's no excuse to misspell them. And so we usually gave out a handout. I didn't know if y'all got one.
In our little
Word thing, your word wall. So a lot of times the numbers are listed on there. So you need to make sure that you are not spelling your words incorrectly. Use that to help you. Okay, here are a couple of practice problems, and then we'll jump on to the next section. As a class, read the following numbers aloud. How would I read A? Everybody together.
125,000.
Good. B?
12,000.
Okay, so you guys, most of you read C. Go over to B.
435,000.
All together. 1, 2, 3.
435,000.
Very good. C?
12,500.
Perfect. D?
25,375.
Good. E?
4,877.
And F?
250,625.
Very good. Okay, so use words now to write the numbers in problems G through I. So for letter G, I'm going to use words and I'm going to spell out 2,000. 2005?
700.
Oh, 700. And 50?
No,
Just 50. 750. Okay, I would be 500,000. Good. Yeah. And then H, 14,000. Then what?
518.
Very good. 518. Okay. So we just got done reviewing writing numbers through the 100,000s. Now we're going to write numbers through the 100 millions. To write a number through the 100 millions, you have 7, 8, or 9 digits. Okay, so we just looked at numbers that involve just these first 6 digits. Now we're going to expand it for a total of possibly 9 digits. Our first example says, use digits to write 2,300,000. So where would I put 2 million at?
Very first one.
The very first one right here.
No, I mean the very last one.
2 million? Look at my place value chart above the board up there. Okay, not after the decimal. Just look at ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions. Where's the millions place? Show me, Isaiah. Go point. Tell me where to put it. Okay, good. Very good. So my 2 should actually go here. It's 2 million. How do I write 300,000? Where does the 3 go?
Right before the 2. Right after the 2.
It's 100,000. So yes, right here. And it's 300,000. What do I put in the rest of the blanks? Very good. Okay, the next one. Oh, it just broke it down for us. I just did it on the top line. So all of that is just breaking down exactly what we just did. Okay, here's another one. Comparing 113 million to 311 million, which one would be greater? And it's already done for you right here. You're just focusing on 113 versus 311. If your place value matches here and here, then you're just looking at the numbers. Whichever number's bigger is the greater number overall. Okay, here is a little bit more practice. So it says use words to write each number. How would I write A? The very first one is in which place value?
121 billion.
Ooh, 121 million.
340.
340.
340.
340,000.
12,000.
That's correct. Okay. What about the next one? 12 what?
12
Million. Good, I heard that.
507,000.
Very good. 507,000. Question?
Yes.
And then C? 5 million.
5,075,000.
70-5,000. Good. Okay, now we're going to use digits to write each number. So D, what does 25 million look like?
25, 0, 0, 0. 25, 0, comma, put a comma. And then another comma, and then 0, 0, 0.
Very good. Okay, what does 12,500,000 look like?
Either 12, comma, 0, 0, 0, 5, 0, 0, comma, 0, 0.
Wonderful. F, what does 280 million look like?
200, 280. Oh, wait. And then just put a comma. And then 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0.
Very good. Okay, comparing 34 million to 43 million, which one's more?
43 million.
Good job. So 34 million is less than 43 million. Arrange these numbers in order from least to greatest.
It already is.
Is it?
5 million. 5 million. Oh, 25,000.
25,000.
750,000. Yep. 750,000 and then 5 million.
Very good. And then arrange these from least to greatest.
Least is 12,375. Next, 987,000. Then 1 million.
Can you see that okay?
No, I can't see the thing.
So this one's 1, this is last, this is second. Okay, that's it for today. Your lesson practice is going to start on page 234 because we are skipping the lesson 33 practice and we're just doing the lesson 34 practice. So be sure you are on the right page and you don't start doing the wrong lesson. Double check your page number right now. Are you on page 234? If you are not on page 234, turn there now. Lesson 34 is what we're doing, numbers 1 through 30.